Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox, assemble, and talk about the new 2026 Buzzaround CarryOn Scooter. Now keep in mind, this isn't an in-depth review video. If you have any questions about it, you can either subscribe to our channel, check out all of our in-depth review videos, leave a comment below. I will reply within one business day. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering what the big differences are between the 2026 and the 2025 model. I think the most notable thing is going to be the seat upgrade. It's a much thicker padded seat, both on the part where you sit and on the backrest. Something else that stands out is the frame colored. It used to be an aluminum silver color throughout the seat platform and tiller assembly. Now it's all blacked out, and I gotta say, it looks pretty sharp. Not only that, the rims are blacked out now too. It just looks a lot more modern and sleek. This has been our top selling scooter because of how easy it is to tilt and roll into the trunk of your car. We have tons of videos showing you what it's like to travel by plane, the whole process, from pre-boarding and arriving at your destination and receiving your scooter. If you want to get educated, check out our YouTube playlist for the Buzzaround CarryOn series. Learn what it's like to cruise, which, if you didn't know, this was a scooter specifically designed for cruise lines. You can literally fold it flat and roll it under the bed in most cabins, which is pretty awesome. With that being said, we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call if you have any questions. Our non-commissioned sales experts would be happy to answer them. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing process. So you are going to need a box cutter, a pair of scissors, or something sharp to cut the pallet straps and open the box. As soon as you open the box, you're going to notice a lot of styrofoam. You're also going to see a flag, a spare battery in a box, and some blue colored panels that you could use to switch out the default red color panels that it ships with. You're also going to find the seat and, of course, the scooter, which you're going to need to raise the tiller by depressing the yellow lever on the right side handlebar area, lifting the tiller all the way up, and then lifting up the seat platform by pulling on the left and right spring-loaded pins. You're going to notice there's a box with the charger underneath the seat platform, as well as a bag which contains some accessories, and most importantly, your user manual and safety information. Make sure you read it, folks. Not only is it going to show you how to maintain and care for your product, it also has a troubleshooting section that can help you save money for simple fixes that you don't need to pay a technician for. If you are a DIYer, we have a whole playlist dedicated to DIY repairs, and I highly recommend you watch it just to know how to take care of your scooter and fix common issues that you may face. Now, once you're ready, you may need help. You need to just lift the scooter up out of the box and just remove all of the excess packaging. You are going to find a battery bag and the front basket at the bottom underneath the scooter. Don't throw it out. The next step is going to be to install the fuse. So we're going to show you how to do that. There's a big sign there. You're going to need to remove the technician's panel, which is basically a cover that allows you to access the wire harnesses that connect to the controller. Go ahead and follow the diagram, read the instructions. We're going to show you exactly what to do. You basically have to take the main fuse out of the holding position where the spares go and actually plug it in so that it can create contact between the wires and actually take power from the battery to power up your unit. Without doing this, your scooter won't turn on, no matter how long you charge it. So make sure you don't skip that step. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Next, we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the accessories. You get a cup holder and a cane holder. You can mount it on the left or the right side of the tiller. You also get a key and a little Allen key, but we're going to use a drill to make things a lot faster. You can use a drill with an Allen key bit. You're going to notice 2 screws on the left and 2 screws on the right. Decide where you want to place the accessories. For this video, we're going to mount the cup holder on the right side of the tiller and then the cane holder on the left side. There's really not much to it here. As long as you know how to use a screwdriver, just go ahead and mount the cup holder and enjoy taking your beverage with you on a scooter ride. Now, just moving around to the front of the tiller, we are going to show you how to install the basket. There are no tools required. It's a folding basket that folds flat, which makes it extremely convenient when you have limited space to carry your cargo while on vacation. You just go ahead and slide the back part of the basket onto the mounting bracket on the front of the tiller. There's really nothing to it. We are going to show you how to mount the seat now. There's a yellow lever underneath the seat on the front side. Make sure that's depressed and line up the male insert onto the seat platform. There's just a hole right in the middle of the platform that locks it into place. The armrests do fold back and forward. Now we're going to show you how to install the cane holder. There's really nothing to it. It's just like the process for installing the cup holder. There's just 2 screws that fish through the cane holder and screw into the tiller frame itself. Once you have that installed, you can use it to take a cane with you if you use one. Next, we're going to show you how to eject the battery. There is a button in front of the battery compartment. The battery itself does have a charging port on it, and it is TSA approved under 300 watt hours. You do get a spare battery as part of a promotion that is for a limited time. The charger is very easy to use. One end plugs into the wall outlet, the other end plugs into the charging port either on the battery or on the charging port located on the back side of the tiller assembly right under the handlebars. All in all, we're really happy with the way the new model turned out. Although the differences mainly are cosmetic, I think that the seat being upgraded is a huge upgrade that a lot of people were asking for. I can't wait to show you some epic new content. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you get notified when we release new videos showing you what this model is all about. We really appreciate your viewership and your support. It's what keeps the channel growing. So make sure you give it a like, share it on your Facebook for others to see. We really appreciate it, guys. Now, before we end this video, we're going to show you how to take it apart and put it back together. We start off by folding the backrest down, removing the seat by using the yellow lever, folding down the seat platform, and then lowering the tiller with the yellow lever on the right side handlebar area. There are some bungee cords that you can use to strap down the handlebar in case you plan on putting it in your trunk loosely. You don't want that steering handle system to swing around when you're taking turns. There is a handle on the front. There's handles on the side, and you can use the kickstand as a handle as well, which makes it super convenient to load into the trunk of a car. You can actually mount the seat onto the scooter when it's in the folded position, so it's one less thing to worry about carrying. You can just grab it from the handle on the front and roll it around. I also want to mention that you can fold the armrests forward when it's in the folded position, and it helps you save even more space. I gotta say, this is an awesome design, and it's perfect for the average traveler or even for people that just want to use it around town to do simple things like go to the grocery store. Let us know what you think. If you have one of these scooters, give us your honest feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.